We are working with the grassroots communities in Pakistan, and energy transition is one of the main program. So basically energy transition happening across the Pakistan, and but actually it is like that. Mostly the government and the international financial institutions, they are only switching from one fuel of energy to another fuel of the energy. They are not doing the just energy transition. Mainly our energy work is focusing for the acceleration of renewable energy sources for the communities, especially for the wind and solar, because solar is one of thing which is supporting to the communities, because it is a very cheap in Pakistan, and we have imported from the China. So basically we are working for the conducive policy environment for the renewable energy acceleration. We are also working for the acceleration of the concessional financing for the communities, and we are also training communities so they can technically handle the energy solutions at the grassroots level. So this is the main area of work which we are doing in Pakistan. I think summit, we have many takeaways from the summit, because we have learned that the communities of the global south and global north who are actually supporting to the just energy transition, they are actually mobilized and organized, and they are raising their concerns and voices on the policy corridors with the governments, with the international financial institutions and other people. So I think we have learned that communities have a strong voices here. So definitely these are some of the takeaways, that we will also mobilize and organize our communities so that their voices can be heard at the different platforms, policy making platforms, financial platforms, and the global platforms. So I think global south, global north has a power of knowledge and also the power of the technology, and they have a power of global policy making processes through the international financial institutions. So I must raise the voice, I must raise the concern to the governments of the global north, that they should see how the World Bank and IMF are doing the energy transition in the global south. They are actually pushing to the communities in the debt situation. They are pushing to the local communities to do not get a benefit of the ongoing energy transition processes. So I must say that the global north governments should use their influence, ask World Bank and IMF that they will support to the communities, and the energy transition should be just. It cannot harm the communities, it cannot harm the land, it cannot harm to the environment and the ecology of the local communities. So currently the World Bank IMF model is not people-centric, it is a profit-centric. So we ask the global north communities, they will support to the global south people for the just energy transition in our countries. Thank you.